Alright, let me show you how to remove the green in a green screen video in this app called Powerdirector. I'm on an iPhone right now, but I assume this probably looks pretty much the same in an Android as well. We're going to start a new project. In this case, I'm going to choose 16:9 because that's how this video that I'm working with has been filmed, but if you shot your video in landscape or it's a square video, go ahead and choose whatever works best for you. So now we're going to bring in our two files. The first file we're going to bring in is the background, and the second file is going to be the green screen video. So for the first file, I'm going to go up here and I'm going to choose the Photos option, the Photos tab. I'm going to go to my recents, and you can see I have a blurred photo there of an office. We're going to use that as the background. And then we're going to go and get the green screen video that I'm going to use. In this particular case, it's in my file section, but you may find yours under the recents or under a different section depending on where your video is located on your phone. But for me, it's right here. It's this piece of stock footage. And so now we've got everything that we need. So we can back out of the import media section, and now you can see that we've got our green screen footage sitting atop of this background video. What I'm going to do is highlight the green screen video. I'm going to zoom in on it just so it fills up most of the frame. We're then going to make sure that it's selected down there. We're going to go over here to the little pencil icon, which is the edit icon. That's going to bring up a menu of different options. I'm going to scroll to the right, and you'll see here this option called chroma key. That's the option that we're looking for. So we're going to tap chroma key, and we're going to say use picker to select color. So I'm going to tap on the little color picker there, and I'm going to just tap on the green, and then it disappears. So at this point, you can then refine this. As you can see, if I adjust the range, you'll see that it changes what color it's actually selecting, or you can also choose denoise, and that will kind of remove some of the green noisy artifacts that can sometimes happen with that. But I think it did a pretty good job, so I'll probably I'll increase the range just a little bit and then back out of it. And now you can see we've got a woman that was obviously shot on green screen, but now she's in an office setting. So the only other thing we need to do here is highlight the photo, and then we're going to extend that all the way to the end of the clip, because obviously it's not long enough, so the background disappears at some point here. So we're going to extend it all the way to the end so it takes up the entire clip. And now we've got the whole clip that is been chroma keyed out. The green has been chroma keyed out, and we've replaced that with this photo of a blurred office setting. Alright folks, that's it for this tip. If you'd like to learn more about green screen, head over to bizvideoschool.com and sign up for Business Video School. We go over in depth how to do green screen and how to utilize green screen in your videos for your business. Hope this tip helped. We'll see you on the next one.